Hello, this is Ali Ajmal, your psychologist. Today we are going to talk about anxiety. Yes, anxiety is nowadays a most prevalent condition among the masses. Most of the patients who contact me are suffering from anxiety. Yes, before it was depression, but nowadays it's quite to my amaze, it's anxiety. And anxiety is a misunderstood condition. It can take different forms. So people don't know about their condition, because of which they don't know whom to consult with to treat their condition of anxiety. Okay, first of all, anxiety, we can take it as synonym of fear. Yes, anxiety is a kind of fear, irrational fear, and at the same time it's worry, which is, by the way, again irrational worries. Okay, if we are suffering from some issue, if we are having some problem, if we are see that there is some danger, it's normal to be fearful. Fear is a thing which is, by the way, healthy for the humanity to some extent. But if we are afraid of such kind of things which we don't need to be afraid of, then we say that it's anxiety, irrational fear, out of context worry, irrational worries. Okay, if someone is fearful from, let's suppose, water or some other thing which usually normal people are not worried about, this is anxiety. We call it phobia, and this is a kind of anxiety. And some people are into the habit that they are worrisome. Their personalities are this way that they take one thing too much on their nerves and they keep on worrying over something over again and again, which is irrational. Yes, worry and fear to irrational extent, this is what we call anxiety. And many people are suffering nowadays from anxiety. And one thing which is, I want to share it with you, that sometimes anxiety takes form of panic attack, which is a condition which is really worrisome for the people. Its symptoms are very much problematic. Panic, yes. Sometimes we are having panic attacks if we are suffering from anxiety. Okay, what is panic attack? You know, such kind of symptoms that our heart is pounding, we are suffering from heart disease, shortness of breath, we are sweating, trembling. These are typical symptoms of anxiety if it takes form of panic attack. People are very much worried about these things. Most of the people go to some cardiologist or some other doctor to consult with regarding their conditions. But mostly it's not these symptoms, these physical issue. It's only anxiety. So if you are having any kind of these symptoms, or you have some generalized kind of anxiety or phobia, don't worry. This is anxiety. And anxiety is one single disease which is unique in itself, in a sense that the cause of anxiety is fear and the symptom of anxiety is also fear. This is a unique disease. A person who is suffering from anxiety is suffering actually from a vicious cycle of fear and worry. So if you are suffering from anxiety, you can try to treat yourself. First of all, you need to work on your mental habits. That if you are suffering from such kind of habit that some issue or something is just chew on your nerves. Most of the people are having such kind of mental habit that they love to be worried about things, and sometimes they are worried in such a way that they love to be worried, overthinking, they love to think and overly thinking. about any issue which don't need that much time and energy. But we are into the habit of overthinking, which is a typical symptom of anxiety. Apart from that, we need to work on our emotions, our behavior. We need to better adjust in our life. We need to do physical work. We need to improve our sleep patterns. Sometimes it happens that there is some problem outside, but because of our personality issue, we make small problem bigger. We don't know, let's suppose that if we are lack in adjustment quality, if we are not socially active, or if we are not working properly, we are inviting problems just because our mindset. This brings anxiety. Along with that, many things like personality issues, our emotional instability, or lack in any other capability which is not letting adjust our behavior into this world properly, this can invite anxiety. So, if we treat anxiety, if you want to treat anxiety, you need to work on broader qualities. You need to work on your variety of your capacities and your personality and your abilities. So, first of all, we need to sort it out that what is the problem which is causing anxiety in us. Different people are suffering from anxiety due to different reasons. So, as far as the treatment is concerned, first of all, we need to diagnose and sort it out that why we are suffering from anxiety. What are the root causes? For that, you need to consult some psychologist. And as a matter of procedure, first of all, we diagnose you and we look into the patterns which are maladjusted and which bring anxiety into your life. Then we replace these thinking patterns and these maladaptivities in your life with some healthy and positive attributes which led us out of our anxiety. If you want to consult me regarding your anxiety or any other mental health condition, you can contact me through following given number. So, you will be given an online appointment, or you can visit my clinic through following given number, so I can try to treat your anxiety. Actually, we both will work on your anxieties so we can cure it. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much.